Hey, do you looking best electric kettle? Now, I'll show the best 6 electric kettle with positive reviews. So, let's starts. 06. Konka 1.7 liter electric kettle. 360-degree rotational base. Underpin heating methods. Anti-dry protection materials. Stainless steel inner side and easy to carry. Price, $23.23. 05. SONIFER 0.6 liter electric kettle. Boil dry protection and auto shut off when boiling is completed. The outside of the kettle is covered by a layer of insulation to avoid the risk of burns. Suitable for business trips and travel. Price, $18.23. 04. Xiaomi 1.5 liter electric kettle. Stainless steel inner side and underpin heating. 360-degree rotational base. Auto shut off when boiling is completed. Portable charger with EU plug. Price, $26.94. Link in description. 03. Xiaomi Mi JIA 1.5 liter electric kettle. Stainless steel materials with overheat protection. Plastic shell materials with lid. Automatic shut-off switch. 360-degree rotational base. Heating coil method. Price, $44.05. 02. SONIFER 1.7 liter electric kettle. Electronic control panel, LED display on the base, keep warm switch for selection. Brewing green tea, coffee, milk powder and black tea. Single water gauge, open lid switch, press the keyboard. Exquisite box for safe delivery. Price, $24.16. 01. SONIFER 0.5 liter mini electric kettle. Connect the power supply that is start to boiling. 0.5 liter capacity, small size, easy to carry and store. Stainless steel materials and underpin heating. Suitable for business trips and travels. Price, $12.49, link in description. Thanks for watching. Stay with us and don't forget to subscribe.